Thank you for staying with us. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the preliminary round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz for 2019. And the scores are Supreme on 19 and Port Morant on 10. Now it's time for the final challenge, where questions are thrown open to both teams. First team pressing the buzzer earns the right to answer after the team has been identified. They will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. Teams will start with television. In which Disney movie does Princess Aurora appear? That is Supreme.
Sleeping Beauty.
Correct. Sports. Which country won the FIFA World Cup for senior men in 2014? Supreme.
Germany.
Correct. Bible knowledge. In which city did Lazarus and his sisters live? Supreme.
Bethany.
Correct. Science. Why is lightning seen before thunder is heard? Okay, the judge said you had to answer because you buzzed in before Port Morant. So we'll move on to the next question. English language. By using the word court, give an expression which means the decision is yours. The ball is in your court. Music. What is the name of the artist who recorded, or the artiste rather, who recorded the song Waka Waka? Shakira. General knowledge. How many days are in a leap year? Supreme?
366.
366 is correct. Local affairs. The FAO supports Jamaica's efforts to promote food security and sustainable development. What does the abbreviation FAO stand for? Food and Agriculture Organization. Mathematics. What is 260 multiplied by 40? Okay, they buzzed in at the same time, so you can go ahead, Port Morant.
10,400.
10,400.
That's correct. Social studies. What is the name of the calm center of a hurricane? Supreme.
The Eye.
Correct. Television. In the cartoon The Flintstones, what is the name of Fred Flintstone's wife? Wilma. Sports. How many players are there on a rugby team? 15. Bible knowledge. Who was the tallest man named in the Bible? Goliath. Science. Why do thermoflasks keep cold liquids cold? You buzzed in before, Supreme?
Because it keeps the coldness in it.
Because what?
It keeps the coldness in it.
Will you Okay, we'll look at that later on. English language. Complete the proverb, keep your mouth shut. And your eyes open. Music. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky, are the lines from which poem? That's Supreme?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Correct. General knowledge. Who was the first U.S. president? Supreme?
George Washington.
Correct. And that is the bell.
At the end of the bell, we have Supreme Prep on 33 points and Port Morant Primary on 10 points. Congratulations to Supreme Prep.
Please stay with us. When we come back, we'll finalize things and wrap things up. You're watching Quest for Quiz.